Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on the ongoing case kaSenzo Meyiwa. Ozibuza every day ukuthi iyophela nini. Kukhona nje abantu are just defeating the ends of justice. Bazenzela nje, yazenzela umuntu nje siyambukela, you know? Like u-advocate George Baloyi. Yabo George Baloyi isigebengu sesigelekeqa kahle de uyafana no-Brigadier Kinindi. Ukuluva nje labo baba nje abawukuluva bakudala isigebengu like you've never seen. The first ukuthi wamvuma lo msangano lo wa 636 lapha e-DPP when they met and Makubo was there. Who even does that? Bavumelana no Brigadier Kinindi. Manje bayalo abalo. Phela uBaloyi just as much as a advocate and all of that, and he knows about law. But you've seen Baloyi's face. Baloyi's face, guys, is not happy. You've seen him, he looks very unhappy because at the back of his mind and in his heart, he knows very well ukuthi yabona lento ya 636 into engekho. This is why there was also now speculations around things is related to Chico. Kwaqhamuka izitori zokuthi uyi-cousin. So yabona ukuthi people start to make up things. Ngoba you just like, why would you allow that and be sitting there DPP and be like, oh yeah, yes, they were intruders. In fact, we're going with 636. Jalo makhulunywa go 375 uyasukuma jump and be like, oh no, ngeke sifike nini lapho. As I say, my lord, the defense is not understanding. Guys, they understand. That is why they're there. It defense. They never came into that house. So uBaloyi is defeating the ends of justice, and he thinks he will get away with it. A team up in Alumgana Casabello and Imanjo Brigadier Kinindi, and it will never work. Yeah, someday things will just turn around, and I've been saying how things will turn around in this case. kaSenzo Meyiwa, it's like Ibolo is busy predicting things that will never happen. Let's sit and watch Asindawo. So basically, when you look at it, uBaloyi, uBrigadier Kinindi, fanele babosho labo bantu labo because they are defeating the ends of justice and banamanga. Fanele babosho nje. And everyone else who actually allowed this crap, 636 to be introduced a court, u375 abantu ababesendlini ungana kuthiwa u636 they were intruders. Before at the end of everything, baboshwe lapha. Masubuka. I don't know what are your thoughts, guys. You must just let me know what you think. And the defense had said, Bona, they won't give up. What they'll do is that they'll wait, right, for this trial to finish here 636 and then Bona bazo introduce 375. Phela masubuka kahle lethi ngoma ezulu uhambele lezo zinto because he was just like, no, nginawo ama witnesses am. I hope umnisi busy nama documents are late thulani ngoma ezulu because ngeke asifune inkinga, sifuna azokhuluma into ezwakalayo nge14 mayibuya la. We gave him too much time, sino rats. You know. So my thing is that when he comes back on the 14th, he needs to tell us exactly ukuthi ubehleli ekhaya for almost 2 months efundani, almost 3 months even. What was he studying there? He must be proper. 14 they are here, you know. And you remember how Brigadier Kinindi was so rude in court. Michael Mango 375. I don't know what Africans think. Hey, guys, I was just like, you know what? This is crazy to think Uguti there were no intruders in that house. Why would they think of that? Go back, there were intruders in that house. Just imagine, guys, guys. That's a theory. Hey, guys, we don't care about those things. Tina sifuna abantu ababesendlini kube ibona abasitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Not those 5 people. Those 5 people didn't even come to that house and they've been sitting in jail for 6 years. So niyabona ukuthi life iba unfair kanjani at times, guys, nje in general. And nakhona, how is it, guys, that amaphoyisa ngizothi awu-3 at this point because uGininda usethimini yakhe e-1 basically. Just une-entourage. Remember I said ukuthi i-entourage yakhe kuba uMogano, oMogula laba babefika lapha bazoqamba amanga because ba-under him. Angithi in a way, basically ba-report again, right? And also they were coached to say certain things. Listen, this is how you say stuff there at court. This is how Tina in the team we're gonna work. So my question right now is, why is it that uGininda, right? Namaphoyisa awu-2 ngapha uMakhubo benoButhelezi who are for 375, who are for people who were in the house ukuthi ababoshwe labo bantu. Okay, and them. Mangithi and them bonke angithi noMthoko, all of them, the other 6, excluding uSenzo obviously. So my thing is that, why are the police fighting? Why singavumelani ngento yodwa as police officers, as subs, as abantu abasebenzela i-SAPS? Why singavumelani? It's okay, no, actually, yeah, you're right. So uGininda, making an example, usho kuMakhubo maybe, you're right, actually, they were not intruders. Asambe ndo 375. So basically, masusubuka kahle guys, uGininda is a bully. And he bulldozed the case. Utlangatanganisa le case le busi scoop. How do we come out of this? Umnisima ingasmeli nge-14, how do we come out of this? Like I'm saying, then, which means we have to finish completely. Simval, simbeke eceleni, sibeke ifile yakho and start all over again with 375. And that is the only way esokwazi moving forward. Ukuqhubeka ukuthi kube khona direction. And i-defense, they need to fight for this. They need ukuthi bayihlangise kule court and be like, I know it's fine. Because Urata has said it before. Okay, then it's fine. Awuphele ku-636. Ngoba he's very much aware Urata ukuthi ukhona 375. Uyayibona ndaye lento time noma sekuthiwa izinto ziyafana. Why are people here kungekho abantu ababesendlini ababona kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani, but they keep on lying ukuthi ilabantu aba-5 ababula umuntu? Like how Zandi will come to court and be like, ilaba aba-5 that messed up our lives. And that's not the case. It's not the truth. Ukuyibona leyo nto le. So basically abantu bayazenzela. They defeating the ends of justice obalui. Basahamba nje walk in the streets of Pretoria going to court to continue lying. Umnisi this time he needs to be another person. Something must come out of him. He must just be another person, because I promise you we have no direction of introducing 375 and be like all those people who were in the house. Like I've always said, actually today, all 6 of them, they will sing like canaries when they get to the prison. 2 days, 3 days, you start talking. Nakombani. Ugusi lo nalo. Ilo actually that did it. It's not me. Okay, guys. Otherwise we just gonna be going around circles. Until when? That's just the question. Another 10 years. No, we need something there. Zonke igeleke nemgulukudu fanele iboshwe. Lesa ngiyimentionile. Okay guys, it's a lot. So sizoke sime lapho kancane because ngifuna uqhubeka futhi nesinye story futhi around the case. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me. Ngithanda over.